This video is gonna be a mashup. I am going to feature 7" by 8" base upgrade Courtney in both Chinese hair and Burmese hair. This video, what I specifically want to highlight is how they look straight. I'm going to put them each on, and then we're going to wash them. You'll see what it looks like when they're partially air dried, and then again when they're fully air dried, just so you can see the comparison in the Burmese hair and the Chinese hair, because they are very different. Let's go first with the Burmese hair. So this is 7 by 8 upgrade Courtney Burmese hair, straight, pre-wash. We got it, we're taking it in. She's straight, she's cute, she's full. Now we have the Chinese hair. This is her straight. Take a good look at her, because the next time you see her, I will be washing her. So let's go wash them. Now that I have them both washed, conditioned, and kind of wringed out a little bit, I have them laying on a towel on my countertop. You can already see, this is like right fresh out of washing them. You can already see how one's curling up a little bit more. Once they're fully dry, I'll come back and I'll put them on and show you side by side. Okay, it's been a couple days since I washed and air dried my upgrade Courtney in Chinese hair and Burmese hair, and so I kind of want to go over what they look like now. So this is the Chinese hair. She dried straight. She's got a little bit like that, we'll have to do some sprucing with the straightener, but for the most part she's straight, so it's not that bad. And the reason I say that is because you're about to see with the Burmese hair. Now she is curly. I love it. I love this curl pattern. I mean, I know that's not for all the girls, but for me, this is just giving, like, I don't even know. I love it so incredibly much. And I will say, I have not put any product on these except for what you saw me put when I washed them. I'm gonna first put on the Chinese hair, and I'm gonna show you what I would do to get her ready to wear out. That is that. So this is like fresh, haven't done anything with her after I washed her, and this is just a few passes with the flat iron, and she's straight. So this is the Chinese hair. Again, super simple to straighten. She dried mostly straight, air dried mostly straight, which is really good for the girls who like the really straight hair. I love it. I love this curl. I mean, such a huge difference in the Chinese hair. This is the Burmese hair. I have literally, I washed her, conditioned her, and laid her out for a little bit, then hung her up, and this is it. This is the curl pattern you're getting. Tell me this isn't amazing. So this is how she dries, and this is how easy she is to straighten. So it's all about your preference and what you want. Again, the Burmese hair is the one that's going to dry curly. And someone had asked me, which I thought was a good call out, they had asked if you click on the topper, is it going to give you the option for Burmese or Chinese? But I do believe they are listed as in the description as two different things, like 7 by 8 upgrade Courtney Chinese hair or Burmese hair. But it will say either in the description or when you click on it in the description box and all of that, it'll tell you if it's Burmese or Chinese hair. Now I'm gonna have to straighten all of her to match, but I really didn't want to. That's how much I love the curly hair. I'm an advocate for the Burmese hair for all the curly haired girlies, because if you have curly hair and you're a sweater like me, I will have a straight topper on and love it, but as soon as I get out in the elements and start sweating, my bio hair underneath it will curl up like this, and then I'll have like this straight piece on top. top and my curly hair on the bottom, and that's a whole nother situation. So keep that in mind too if you're naturally straight or curly. Hopefully that's helpful for you if you're on the fence on whether you want Burmese or Chinese hair.